Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up? So today we are going to learn how to use a smartphone as webcam in PC. Why? Because those who make PCs are very poor in camera budget. So they put very low quality webcam in laptop, which is almost unusable. It's better to use your smartphone as webcam. So let's begin. So first you need obviously a smartphone, Android or iPhone, data cable or charging cable and internet connection. So now first go to Play Store or App Store and search webcam. Download this app and install. Now go to webcam website, link in the description of course, and download your compatible like Mac or Windows like this. Download this and install this in PC. Now open both software in mobile and PC and connect your mobile to PC by using data cable or charging cable, and after that you have to allow few permission and you can see the screen. And you can use this anywhere you want as a webcam. So as you can see, I am using this in OBS Studio and I am adding my built-in webcam so that you can differentiate between both camera quality. So here we have two camera output and there is a huge difference between quality. So that's it today. Thanks for being here. Subscribe and share.